Now, I heard about a government study a while back, a real one, I promise you, called The Demography of Happiness. The bureaucrats wanted to know who in America was truly happy, so they spent $1 million, handed out some clipboards, ran surveys, analyzed data, held focus groups, the works. And you know what they found after all that effort? That people who go to church regularly are generally happier than those who don't. Married folks tend to be happier than singles. Small-town folks are happier than city dwellers. Now, all of that sounds a lot like something your grandmother could have told you over a slice of pie and a cup of coffee. But then, after pages and pages of findings, charts, and government jargon, they arrived at their grand conclusion, the biggest insight of all, that the happiest people in America are young, healthy, and rich. Well, now, I don't know about you, but I think we could have saved the taxpayers a whole lot of money by just writing that down on the back of a napkin. It's better to be young, healthy, and rich than old, sick, and poor.